How to see if someone is tracking your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on People. Over here, you can view all the people who can see your location. As you can see, it shows, "Can see your location," below one of them. This means that this person can see your location. Tap on their name. If you want to stop them from seeing your location, then tap on Stop Sharing Location over here. Tap on Stop Sharing Location again to confirm. Now, go back and open up the Settings application. Scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Here, tap on Location Services. And then, tap on Astronomy. Over here, select Never in the Allow Location Access section. Go back again and tap on Tracking as shown. Then, turn off the black hole switch. Following these steps, you can easily see if someone is tracking your iPhone.